question. So today I got one developer position. I can't screen. No. Yep. Yes.
Like account manager leaves the company, right? And so what we do with the accounts that he's owning, those accounts need to be transferred to some other person, going to work temporarily or maybe that will be done something called data. So here say list all these accounts, and currently when I remove here owner, all that, like you try to use all of this scanning. So he is leaving the company to, let's say, scanning, right? So this is done by doing the data that and and transfer of the accounts, right? Yes, we like from user we have transparent to from user. So I'll click on this button. Was it?
Yeah.
I think actually look at who uses this person. You guys, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So to
Yes.
okay. Once I select, then I have some field industry. Let's say industry. Industry is equal. So I can actually filter the data and only select for transferring or changing the ownership. Yeah. That's because we don't have that much data. Get the data. But click on then I see all the I can also do for after opportunities any closed opportunities, open, close, do all of these. So what I click open opportunities and open by existing number, and select let's say 3 and click on this transfer button here. Then the accounts transferred. And click on list. And the scan is showing it in more places.
Can you please repeat that? I think I kind of lost the step after you click on. I know you entered 3 accounts, transfers, and then there was some button that you have to click. I kind of missed out. What was that?
Do you want to do it? Yeah. Management.
Mass transit. Accounts. Or look.
Yeah. Yeah. We do from no scanning. Remove that name. Yeah. Yeah.
Find out. 4.
Tree.
Trans-
Yeah. Transferred.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Abhijit, no? Okay, let me give that control. Yeah. So you transfer from user 0 training to SK.
Okay. Going through the rest of this. Okay. Then we are already here. Mass transfer.
Beginning, no? You go back to cap.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Setup. Yeah. From setup, you start again.
Okay. Transfers. Accounts. And I select from as this is for and okay. Sorry.
Any account? I think just now transferred all of the accounts to.
Yeah, that is kind of reading this if there is something else which I can.
Okay.
We need to no. Abhijit, we have to click the find button at the below.
I see that's it. First. How is that?
Yeah. Full name start with filter. You can use start.
I can
Starts
use.
with yeah. No, starts with yeah. Starts with
Okay.
yeah. Let's see if something comes up with that. See, then something is there. Yeah. So you can see, right. Once you find, you have to do the transfer. So
Oh,
click transfer button.
instead of trans. Okay. Yeah, this is new owners have read permission to click here to. That's all. That's all.
Yeah. So the person is not having. So that is a restriction. The user whom we are trying to for that person or the person there, they need permission for him. So yeah, that's why it is not allowing. So you here this is good to know, yeah, since we are learning. So that whenever we transfer the data to somebody else, they have the read permission.
This one right where is read. So does that mean our use zero that person needs accessibility from read to whatever edit visible?
Okay, yeah, here. Okay. See here. Uh, you, uh, so yeah, this is this one.
Okay. Now
And got permission. He has got to create and edit.
Correct.
Okay, then let's see what the error says. It's saying.
Or I'm just assuming other way.
Okay.
Zero will have one. I mean, has only read. I think it has both.
Yes, on this type of record. What is the account that we transfer? Let's chant product, right? Let's see who it is. User.
Yeah.
So, right?
I
Uh, I'm here transferring to. Okay, I can. Here and see what happens. So, this is the one, right, which you are trying to do.
directly here.
Let's look at
File.
non-profile hierarchy, right? Because profile is having the permission.
Correct.
The
File. Okay.
look at the profile of the user.
Thinking if you should also be system admin, standard platform user, right? Profile is.
Yeah.
That top user, but he also has access, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, he's got the role, part of the see field roles. Okay, we actually should look at you know which role is in SVP customer service, right? How many users? Zero.
Training user.
Is not part of okay, system administrator user training. Let's try this one. Not to let's see this one. Yeah. So it got changed. Okay. You were trying to transfer to the same user or what before? See this, right?
This is main of first owner.
Yeah, these two user zero, right? This one.
Yes.
Have organizational security settings also, maybe read permissions, right?
Yeah, but I'm looking at the organization. Organization set to private, then it's not right. Security sharing settings. It's all private, right? So that's why it's not like changing the because once it is private here, be having the access to hierarchy. The next one is
My next question was, suppose if it is a private, if you do data transfer with the transfer, yeah, we can have access, right? Suppose that record, right, is a user 01, right? Full access. Suppose if you transfer, not change user, transfer through the management. For example, so where I have a full access, right? Or no?
You will have the full access once it is a private. But look at this one. So whether you do the data mass transfer for multiple records. So here, if I do it for one single record, it's doing only for one record, but still ownership. This is for one record. So what I want to do is I want to do change the license from manage users.
Yeah.
No, profile will change to this training. Then so okay, deactivate this. Yeah. Then this one, right? Is I mean to make it platform. Where is the platform? Is this platform? Yeah. Any user, right? This is the one which we are using.
Uh-huh.
This so now nothing has changed, right? Only Salesforce now. Platform, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So what it says, if you look at the platform structure, the platform administrator. Okay. So,
This is saying read person was because of the license. I mean, that was holding back the.
account and is the owner. If
Yeah.
so the license, right?
Correct.
Not because of the. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do one more thing. Let's do the right who has user is the platform license now, right? Okay. Have read permissions on this type of record, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not create. Change this to training because it's not allowed. Okay. Issue like another reason why it is happening because the like we have only access to accounts and contacts. If you look at the profile search platform, this user profile, then has got only accounts and contacts. No
You mean standard platform only?
Yeah, platform license. Yeah, for platform license that are available to manage the profile are for account, contact. Basically, since we are looking at the major objectives, which is account, contact, opportunities, cases. When we are transferring, uh, keywords will have opportunities also, and these are not available for that license. Yeah, that would be the reason, but I verify further. But that's what I see because we sitting on the organization wide default. Let me where this person is, the role hierarchy is 0. Okay, also right because we just changed the profile, changed anything on the role. That hierarchy that was there, it was there intact, right?
The hierarchy will not, I mean, with any declaration in the whatever we changed with the license. It's just the license matters, right?
Yeah, changed anything. We just changed. So that means, and I'm verifying, when to account record already presented platform by doing, right? Because the profile already says it that you want the access to the account. But
Correct.
when transfer, the account comes along with other objectively the opportunities, right? Of the cases, which are not exposed to the standard platform.
If obviously we didn't change the role hierarchy, it was standard platform will allow only accounts and contacts and not opportunity cases and other things.
Mhm.
And sales license because it allows also other things. Just transfer has to be done. I to be changed and then need to, or in another way, we will not be able to do at all for the platform license.
Could be because the license should be the same. I think that way I can put in. So when let's look at that one also. So we can, yeah, let's look at that one. So we can, what we felt is because of the and it's not, there's no access. But let's look at users who platform only, right? The training user one, they are with the same profile. Let's look at yeah, to another exercise, which is back to setup, manage. I user one, okay, account, create, say, user, yeah, save an SP, there. So created two accounts, platform now user, and then log is user two. So SP, platform license, right? See what I list those upon. Once I select user one, right? Yeah. Let me change this to user 2. It should that user 2, right? And then down. So showing actually there are a couple of others also which uh, let's do this transfer. Okay. Yeah. So nowadays it's uh, flat. Both users should have the same license. That is,
Okay. Cannot transfer.
license is not going to happen. Transfer is not going to happen.
How come license in the sense applicant and opportunity, right?
These accounts really when you like a real pay more license of the Salesforce not the platform. But to users, I used it as a backup just to test some of the like.
Correct.
Okay. This is something extra which is actually all work in projects. So they'll have definitely 100, 200 or 1,000, depending on the company size. And using if the user also it will use this CRM. Okay. And we need to do the backup also, right? So how do we do the backup? Those there and the Salesforce is also archiving on their servers, everything. But if you keep it your in your own so do that there is a data like data export.
From Salesforce to your location?
Yeah, keep a copy in your
Local.
maybe in your like
Right? Okay. From sales is a export. Okay.
keep our data backed up. Salesforce is doing. So I am on actually doing, but I say let's schedule the export, right? So when date that I want to do, on the start date, end date, the document images. Is here exporting the data. You have objects that are available, and so as you can see, include all data. Then it is the object opportunity. If you just want to pick few, you can opportunity, contact, campaign.
Okay. All below check boxes, right?
All of these. So start timing and click on the save. So the schedule that is available here, and I'll also get an email. So before we started the class, and it completes. It says data queue for exporting, and it will be available. Then you can download and keep it. Once you download it, you can see simple data. We are just leaving it like this, but and admin only will be doing it, not everybody else. So the admin as database in the real like SQL server or other way similar to that, but they need to really uh, jobs and then schedule and all that. No, if they have to come to this menu, then data export and then no, it may take time to the data right? Download in the sense for export also Salesforce might take time because the volume more in the real scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so have it then you can I exported this account and contact. So you can like copy let's say these things and just in case we want to. So and you can open up the contact data here. How many records and all that you can verify. Yeah. So when we exports all the fields that are available.
Your screen,
all
I
the,
see your screen.
huh?
No, I mean, we can't see your screen.
Oh, okay.
No.
That's what
Yeah, it was that way.
it's, no, see?
Yeah, it's the
Here, this is the internal attacking and is deleted master record ID account. Which account it is validated, right? What we know. So it will keep go for to verify the data, and you can look at how many records are there and all that, and then you back up of this. But even Salesforce is D, will have a copy of that. So that's like a copy. Then uh, uh, two places, right, into the system. One if is our own account and like you can personal setup menu because as user I will not use the other menus available to me. Right? So I can import no accounts and contacts and then we look at no, you'll have the option to select another data source. Then last time we selected this uh, that so the what is account, right? Yeah. I think some fields that is there. This is all that is in 5,6 the Salesforce fields on the left hand here and spreadsheet. Click next.
but what it is showing is it correct? If the first name it is saying if you open the spreadsheet, the first name is a column 5. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
the first name.
That's how they built, right? So they
Wording, heading wording, they might do. If you remove the from the Excel spreadsheet, I don't think so.
no, you can't take it because there are so many blank columns also here. After these are, it's not showing them. So they do all these validations. To the next, we can account values because we are doing the import. I guess I to yeah. We are saying what it says is required fields are missing. Discount validity and alternate email.
We made a mandate.
Oh.
So we changed a couple of things on the other day, right? Field level security, then we put from
So this is what I think.
Two, three, four.
Because of these fields, I tried to find where are these. And you get something like errors, and you fix that, and then you can do that. So let's. It was that, right? Okay, I was looking at
accounts.
These are the accounts.
Yeah, no, you have the accounts, right? So same thing. Accounts. Okay.
Yeah. So. Is it alternate email? Yeah, call this is there. Right?
Discount is there.
Yes, edit and see what it shows.
Yeah, here.
So, no, the best part is not to make a field at the required, because now once you make it here, then it will be needed. You make it on the page layout. Was the other one? Validity, I think. Validity was also there.
That also I agree.
Yeah. Required at the time of putting it applicable. If I apply this rule for the entire, you cannot use it. Convert a lead, right? Yeah.
Yes. Sir. I was not able to.
Yeah, now it is done.
Not able to convert it.
That was because we had some fields on the contact, right? For the alternate email and three fields. This one validity, right? So these made mandatory at the definition of the field. Because once you make the field required at the try this one, I did it. So always required. Because now it's always valid, right? Now when I try to when one of the right here required, then it is
Required.
values. It says here validity. It is validity. Yeah.
We are doing something else. We got to know it is in contact, but how to identify where is what? I mean, which field lie or in order to fix it.
Sir, you had to go to that object and then see the field, right? That way, that is the only way.
Here, what is happening when we convert this lead? We are right.
Just converting the account the lead to opportunity, right? Where does this contact come? So it's exploration probably, right?
Here, see, when we are doing convert, what it is doing is actually it's trying to create an opportunity. If I can say, it will do not depend upon conversion, but it will as well as contact.
As a contact.
No, not account as a contact. It is creating two records. One account record, the other one is a contact record. Yeah. So this right. So here I have account and the contact. This one. So you don't have to convert all the. If I try to create a new contact, I get the same error. Here, okay, validity is made it required. Yes. 20%.
In this question again, this validity discount, they come along with the profile or do they come with the profile?
This will on the page layout, not on the profile.
No, but it comes with the profile and we on the page layout, right? Or does it come?
Come on the profile layouts. Okay. Here are a couple of things, right? This is security controls, level accessibility. To look at the access to the profile as also. Let's say I want to look at the field on the contact, which is valid. Yeah, this one, right? So I select this for all profiles is required. Is we made this required at the creating the field. So it will apply, to all the profiles because I made my field.
In the
To record here, it will make every field. Every profile. If I take this out, okay.
Condition,
Yeah,
then it profiles. Okay.
Yeah. Validity field again.
Oh.
Editable, like for some is on the layouts. Let's look at the system. So you can't
And sales these editable and others.
we have not let's look at on the layouts. So yeah, assignment, right? So here these are different page layouts. see, for these three profiles, it's different. This page layout. See the star. That means what we did is look at here.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yeah.
So it's not required for the page layout. Let's say if I look at let's layout, for this profile, custom profile. It's here. Okay. So open up this one. It's called here it all here. Field validity, which is here, but it's not required. If you look at this, made as required. So that's why you have you are looking at accessibility.
Then support table.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Because this it was a different profile. Yeah. If you look at this is contact marketing layout.
Mm-hmm.
For this for the if you look at this any other profile like required, then it's layout. That's why you see the set it up on the page layout. If convert.
Okay.
So let's okay. Happening when we do the conversion, it has to write. It has to create a contact record, right? Record. Now it's converted, right? Yeah. Well. Okay. Now we make the field required at the time of defining the field. The conversion you do set as required at the time of creating the conversion. So I'm saying, yeah. Get this like importing. Yeah, there's master is there. No delete. So this one thing. Other thing is mass delete. So delete like accounts. Then it's based on the filter criteria, and choose the accounts with one opportunity. See, when the database grows up and and it will like that, like a space that we the storage that we have. We do need to do the archiving of the uh, to do archiving. Nothing but we do that once with you. Then if you need some of those records, like 6, 7, 10 years, if it is as rules, if it is okay to delete, then you can like data, and then here we can say let's going to delete some of the data. During single record, we can do multiple exchange time. So and once you go home page, you have data available under recycle bin. If you want to like data back, you can select some of those and so recycle bin you can just you can see recycle bin, delete all content. So okay, let's go back and
Did so
yeah, I think just check we have trace or something. It will keep it will be kept in skill bin for some 20 days or something. Check. So and let's say if you delete one here.
I'm not sure if it is like this recycle bin or some other word. After 3 months, 90 days, there is a option that we have in Zoho and I mean any other also, I guess. So just one.
Maybe recycle.
Uh,
See, here is there, right? Empty your organization recycle bin. Probably might have set up there.
Yeah, so each organization will have some. I think 30 days. I think we need to. You can just check and help. You'll find it out. Okay. Actually, there's one more thing to show. Using the data loader that I will show in the next class. Once, yeah, I will show it in the next class. And there is one more thing. In the next class, we will start is on the like a okay. So like the report. We call reports and dashboards. Under this, you have all the report folders. These are called report folders. And for leads, right? When you click on lead, reports which are standard reports, what we call, and you can customize them. Here, if let's lead the lifetime, for example, I do it, then it's not showing any data because do it here, right? So, yeah, this is like filter criteria. Then it shows all the data and product reports. Then if there are a couple of buttons, which is like customize, or if you don't want to look at this data, you can hide it to details, all the records. This report another way, then table view, which will give print and export the data to campaign. What you would see is a report actually. No design all that. Say if I don't want to import a date. So what is drag and drop? The UI all fields that are available, and this lead report, but a lead we will have fields also, because we have we need to opportunity to shop here, and the contact, this information will be shown. Depending on our environment, we can create drag the field. Let's say lead source. What is this? Drag source is already here, so it's showing red. So title, yeah, title here. Um, when I save it, it will ask me the time, right? Lifetime. Then and I can have my personal folder, and I will save it and saving and run the reports. I do save and run the report. Okay. So title particular report. Customize again. So what we do is we can I think create 4 types of file reports. As we already know from other systems, we have a standard tablet format. You see summary, matrix, and joint report. So these are the 4 types of reports that we can load. And we may have to like report different folders, so that we can do uh, 2 options. One is to create a new folder, but then one for that. So I will create a new folder, leads, right? And once I have the uh, full options, like whether I can make for read only or read write, give option, something called this particular folder for by all users, including portal users, uh, portal, and this for from all users are accessible following users, and here in select either public groups and subordinates. So when subordinate, it's basically a hierarchy, right, on the role, and reports to that particular role. Portal use Salesforce as application for working with the company. So let's say, for example, role these roles has to this particular folder, and cannot create anything in that. They can only look at the reports that are there, and so create a new report, or I can save the report whatever I want to customize. Quickly do one more thing. I think both of you do take the report from reports, tab, look at it and drag, delete and add, then save it as a leads folder. Okay. Okay. You want to go? Action. Abhijit. Okay, so I just go to click on the lead report. I already clicked. Oh, the first leads. First, get immediate. Click on customize. So
first select something.
Data actually, there's no data. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I loaded one document, obviously, with all the details that you showed us.
Mm.
Is it format or just any? With all the columns or the details that went into this report, this Excel. So is it format or it auto generates and then it will pick up the values accordingly?
No, it is a comma separated file. So comma separated in the sense it should have that object, names of the object, and it's like all comma separated, right? You see the first name, last name is separated by comma. So should values with commas as separating each value, each field from the other field. So it would look, but when we open it with the Excel, it looks. But yeah, this format that Salesforce accepts as that input. So this you have to do all of your the ETL, when you have a legacy system, if you want to data, then like do the information and then you can look at data. But Salesforce expects to have the data in separated value or a CSV file.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what it is. Close and maybe open a good report. Not good report with data, with some data. Okay. Lead reports, let's say lead status. Yeah. Doing anything or maybe it was there. Yeah. So now reports, lead report, lead status, right? The report which I'm using. Okay, let's save as and the folder that I created.
Correct.
Right, save and run the report. It's a customize button where it is.
Was this the customized one? Because we picked leads or something, the first one that had button.
No, but here also it is something like the data, which was a bounce lead was the one, right? Which we had this button. Yeah. So let's you click data. Okay. Because the lead should or bounce lead. That's the why. That's the reason why it's not let's see. Let's look at this report.
Source.
Source.
Already you are customizing the report, right? So probably it won't show.
Yeah, let's see. I don't want to make any assumptions. Yeah. Okay. So I don't want to just give some. Yeah. Okay. So a new report. Okay. Let look at opportunities. Let's look at I think the opportunity. Okay, at least
Yeah, because standard reports you can do customize. Yourself, it won't be customized, I think.
So this one, right? So because first time you are also seeing different. Okay, is it like security because of the edit? What's happening? Is it because of this read only?
Correct.
Okay.
The to date.
This thing we are accessible all users. Okay, let's save it.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes, no.
What I did know on the edit, just made it read only, then made it to all the users. That's save. Okay. Okay. Edit. So this will report some. Okay. And this should allow me. Let me look at the leads. Create. I'm going to create button. Yeah. Okay.
You're already creating a report and saving as a different report. So I think cannot do any customize. The can be customized.
You can save as, yeah. So, but when you have any report, like standard report, right here.
That you can do customizable. You can add a column or remove. Because
Yeah.
he created dependency pattern. So when you create your own, it might not be created in the pattern. Objects, dependencies and all, right? So that's option to customizable. So you might get a different data. Because this is all the business intelligence, right? The reporting is and all. So when it comes to business intelligence side, so the data folders means these are called objects generally, right? These are built in the specific TL concepts designed by concepts. So own report, so that is created in that fashion. So they didn't give the option of customization.
Anyway, so yeah, I understand. So they might have applied some rules where it is this one, right? So right, what I think from your experience, whatever you are saying, report that we came to us, it is not a report. That's what it is, right?
Sure.
That's what. So if that is the reason, I have to again. But we go with what you say, for some reports, they customize. Okay. All the folders that comes with us, and we can create a new folder. And the new report, so it's available objects, and also it will have some type of reports that we can create. If you look at opportunities, partners, history. So like you pick one, the preview. Right side you have the create button. So you click on the create. It opens up the report builder. These like all the tech fields, we can filter them and the fields like as it shows all the year and all that, the date. So if you want to add couple of dates, you can click here, and the rest will filter. If you want all the numbers, you can filter. If you want only alphabetic fields, no, we can take all next step we don't want. Take some of the fields from and keep only the reports and the fields that you want. Then you, so once you give all opportunities, right, where you want to have, right, and you can save it and done. And take some of these filters out and run this report. As I said, if you would, let's say another this customized button, and you can go back uh, to the primary partner, then you code, right? Say, I think we already saved, right? So we can just save it to the so create reports. Uh,
So dashboard.
Dashboard we will cover in the next class. Basically, it's a snapshot of couple of reports, which will give a summary information rather than detail. When you look at all opportunities, now all of this data, right? So it won't give any like, management to make, or to like, at a high level, like you see closed one, and all of these are there, right? So if I want to percentage of the where is the closed one stage and what percentage of the opportunities are. For those type of like summary information, we will like use dashboards. Yeah.
Schematic.
Not a schematic representation, say schematic, but it's a scale representation. It's not it's a graphical representation. Okay, so Excel charts you might be knowing, right? So same similar to Excel charts, right? It would show. Okay.
So it needs also, right? In order to, I mean, data. I mean, whatever this report, I mean, basically whatever we need from the, need to separately again enter those.
Actual dashboard use some of the reports. So we will talk about what reports will consume, and then one different type of. We did only the tabular report, right? We will look at how to create a summary report and then grouping and all that. We will look at in the next class. So summary matrix cover in the next class. Okay, Bhaskar, I think I will finish the class today and then
No problem.
continue on. Okay?
Sure.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Starting our class?
As of now, it's 7 o'clock only, right?
Yeah, my appointments for continuously Sunday and Sunday.
The last week it was at 7 only now in the evening.
Yeah. Okay, wonderful.
Okay?
Excellent.
Okay.
Thanks.
So Sada,
Yeah.
this trigger and campaign that you said you might want to go through next sometime. The campaign, right?
Trigger campaign?
Yes. Came across this trigger and customize only. Okay. Is it just another object Are they just another object? Oh,
No, trigger comes in this affect, programming. So tell what the trigger is, no? When you are this class and what is campaign, we can touch again, no? Next week. Okay? Then we will have that also. On the reports, I think. But what I heard is you are saying something on the report only trigger.
no, very report. Just
So this is on the programming side, no? There is something called trigger. This is similar to our data, right? Insert of like date and all that. So during this event, what can to data on the data of that record or record. So it's programming, but we will touch upon that.
in data management, we kind of cover data loading, right? Or everything almost.
Data loading, I told you that I want to show this data loader tool it up on my system. So I set it up, I will show you. And reports also we have not done it. I just took time to navigate to the UI, but yeah. So on the reports, we will again cover like some reports and other tab report and data reports you can use. So we will probably cover that in the next class.
So this mobile other administration, right? Desktop and mobile, be kind of overtaking that partitions, or I mean, obviously that mobile is being part of configuration. All is there, right?
But we don't have anything to touch on the mobile or related or anything like that. But yeah, we will be talking, maybe for some time, what is mobile and how it will be used, or what are the ways we can develop applications.
Sure, I think that helps.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.